Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and here you have to scroll down. Now click on Delete your Google account. And now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click Delete account. And now you have to click Cancel and your account should be removed. So let's open, for example, Google Play Store and now click Sign In. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so I have to click Next again. And now I have to enter my password. Now click I agree. And then you have to scroll down and click Accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental controls is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.